Okay, shall we begin now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I wanted to wait just a
मैम
minute.
कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रिया आ गई है मैम.
प्रिया,
यस मैम.
नाम क्या है? नाम क्या दिख
मैम
रहा है?
सिर्फ प्रिया है, सिर्फ प्रिया.
प्रिया बच्चा, ये टीवाई का क्लास चल रहा है, आप एसवाई के तो नहीं हो? प्रिया, ओनली प्रिया, नो?
यस मैम.
I don't find her. Oh, yes. Priya, are you there?
मैम 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 अपनी क्लास की मैम, वो दूसरी प्रिया है मैम
अपनी
जो
क्लास
आज
की
ही
है?
निकले. यस मैम.
ठीक है. Okay. So now, see, we had yesterday we had done a cash flow statement. It's 3 activities, and then this was operating activity statement. This was cash flow statement format. And now I wanted to discuss these rules. But before discussing these rules, I want you to revise the format. So quickly, I'm giving you 5 to 10 minutes to revise the format, and then I'm going to ask you. And then we will begin with the rules today. And let's see how far we reach. If we can start with practical question, I will at least do one, if possible. Okay. So quickly revise the format. I will ask you the questions. Yes. Are you doing it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, what did you have? What is the main format? Come on, quickly. What is the main format? What it starts with? It starts
Yeah.
with?
Cash flow of operating.
Very good.
Net profit.
Yes, cash flow from operating activity. And then you have cash flow from? 3 cash flows are there. No, 3 activities are there. Come on, quickly. Cash flow from?
Cash
Operating activity.
Investing activity. Third is cash flow from?
financing activity.
Financing
मैम
activity.
फाइनेंस एक्टिविटी.
Very good, very good. Financing activity. Now, remember, when you start with the format, you right away go to the operating activity now, because the first one is operating activity. So operating activity is made this way. So tell me, what is the first thing that you have to write in the operating activity?
Net profit as per profit and loss account.
Very good. Net profit as per P&L account. Okay. Next we have, everybody mute. Everybody mute. Next, only who will answer, please unmute. Only those who will unmute, who are going to answer. Okay. So tell me, what comes after net profit as per P&L account? Yes.
Treat all
Ma'am, treat all
non-cash
non-cash and
and
non-trade
non-trade
Very good.
items.
Non-cash and non-trade items को आपको treat करना है. To add non-cash and non-trade items, there are 2 concepts. Add all the expenses, whether it is non-cash and non-trade, and deduct all the incomes. Okay. Few examples are given here. You can refer it later on. And then adjustment of working capital. Again, you have 2 things here. Cash has a inverse relation with current assets, and cash has direct relationship with current liabilities. After adding all these and deducting all these transactions, you will get cash generated and used from operating activity, and then less tax paid, you will get net cash generated and used from operating activity. This same net cash, you have to bring it here. Now, can somebody tell me about investing activity? Wait, I will point out the names. Kajal Singh, can you tell me about investing activity? Come on, whatever you know. कल लेक्चर अटेंड किया था काजल? मतलब लेक्चर में नहीं है ना, ऑन करके छोड़ दिया है। शिवम, शिवम, आर यू देयर? देखो आधे से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स ने लेक्चर ऑन करके छोड़ दिया है, राइट? पूनम, पूनम, आर यू देयर? I will see, huh? These students don't get good marks in internals. I will see to it. Swati? Swati, you there, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
that's the spirit. Very good. So what do you know about investing activity? कुछ भी बता सकते हो investing activity के लिए?
Add all sale of investment,
Yes.
fixed asset, etc. A city's inflow of cash. Deduct all purchases of investment, fixed asset, etc. A city's outflow of cash.
Very good. Very good. और कोई? साइली? साइली? Are you there? स्क्रीन ओपन रखी है, जस्ट आपको वहां से देखकर भी बता सकते हो तो भी अच्छा, बट you guys are not responding. Preeti Singh? Preeti, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So anything else that Swati didn't cover? Can you elaborate? What else will you
Ma'am,
show in
starting से-
investing? हाँ चलेगा, स्टार्टिंग से बताओ क्या क्या इंक्लूड
Yes.
करते हो आप?
Add all sales of investment, fixed
Mhm.
asset,
हम्म,
etc. As its inflow of cash, फिर less all purchase of investment.
वेरी
Fixed
गुड, वेरी
assets,
गुड. सारे
etc.
परचेज को लेस करना है और सेल्स को ऐड करना होता है. क्यों?
Yes,
व्हाट इज द रीजन? सेल्स
हाँ.
को आप ऐड क्यों करते हो बच्चा?
मैम मैं बताऊं?
हाँ जी जयश्री बोलो.
मैम सेल्स को ऐड इसलिए कर रहे हैं हम लोग क्योंकि उसमें पैसे हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, कैश
वेरी गुड,
इनफ्लो है.
कैश इनफ्लो. वेरी गुड.
और लेस
Why?
इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि
हाँ,
हमारे पास से पैसे जा रहे हैं बाहर.
वेरी
जो चीज
गुड.
आएगी उसको ऐड करेंगे, जो चीज जाएगी उसको लेस करेंगे.
चीज नहीं बच्चा, कैश. हम यहाँ पे कैश के बारे में
हाँ
बात
मैम.
कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एनीवन एल्स विल ट्राई आउट? और कौन सी चीज दिखानी है यहाँ पे? गौरी, विल यू ट्राई आउट? गौरी बच्चा, आर यू देयर? शबनम?
इन्वेस्टमेंट
वेरी गुड.
इन्वेस्टमेंट को जब हमारे पास हम लोग की डिविडेंड और इंटरेस्ट आता है तो इसमें हमारे पास तो कैश इनफ्लो होता है, इसलिए हम इसको ऐड करते हैं.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. क्योंकि ये इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी है इसीलिए डिविडेंड और इंटरेस्ट आता है and therefore it is inflow, it is to be added. Very good. Shabnam, very good. I got you as one student who was just not reading और अच्छे से बताया. वेरी गुड. ऑल अदर्स ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. एटलीस्ट रिप्लाई दे रहे हो आप. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड शबनम. और एक चीज रह गई, ये वाली लोन वाली नहीं बताई आप लोगों में से किसी ने?
मैम लोन हम मतलब किसी को देते हैं तो वो आउटफ्लो मतलब कि हमारे पास से पैसा जाता है, इसलिए हमें इसमें माइनस करते हैं.
वेरी
प्लस
गुड. और लोन देना क्या होता है? इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी होता है कि फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी होता है?
मैम इन्वेस्टमेंट.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चलो अब मुझे बताओ फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी के लिए. आराधना, आराधना यू देयर? बताए, आप बताएंगे फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी का कोई एक पॉइंट? शफीक, शफीक इज देयर?
यस मैम.
यस, वेरी गुड. एक कोई भी पॉइंट बताओ, फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में क्या आ जाएगा?
Add all issues of share, debenture, bonds,
वेरी
etc.
गुड, वेरी गुड. क्यों ऐड क्यों करना है इशू के टाइम पे?
क्योंकि मैम ये इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करते ना।
नहीं, इशू इशू
मैं
कर रहे हैं
बताऊं?
ना। हाँ बोलो जयश्री।
मैम जब हम लोग कंपनी से शेयर इश्यू करते हैं तो पब्लिक डिपॉजिट करते हैं हमारे पास, तो पैसे हमारे पास आते हैं, इसलिए उसको
वेरी
ऐड कर रहे हैं।
गुड, वेरी गुड। शफीक समझ में आया? कंपनी यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट
यस
नहीं
मैम।
कर रही है, कंपनी यहाँ पे लोगों को शेयर्स दे रही है, तो लोग आपको पैसे देंगे, पैसा कैश कैश आपके पास आएगा, आएगा तो ऐड होगा।
यस मैम।
शफीक समझ में आया बच्चा?
हाँ मैम समझ में
गुड
आया।
गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। रिया, रिया यादव क्लास में हो? रिया,
यस मैम।
वेरी गुड। चलो बताओ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है?
कैश फ्रॉम फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी।
हाँ उसमें क्या है? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है? इशू वाला पॉइंट हो गया ना, तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है? चलो जल्दी, सिर्फ रीड रीड भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा, बाकी सब समझ जाएंगे। कम ऑन क्विकली।
डिडक्ट ऑल रिडम्पशन ऑफ शेयर्स,
हाँ, और डिबेंचर्स, बॉन्ड्स,
एक्सेट्रा हैज इट इज फ्लो
आउटफ्लो
आउटफ्लो।
ऑफ द कैश। जब रिडम्पशन होगा, जब कंपनी रिडम्पशन देगी मतलब रीपेमेंट देगी, रीपेमेंट के टाइम पे कैश
Buyback.
कंपनी के हाथ से जा रही है ना?
यस।
इसके
हाँ,
लिए हम उसको क्या करते हैं? डिडक्ट करते हैं कि ऐड करते हैं?
डिडक्ट करते हैं।
हाँ, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अश्वति, विल यू ट्राई द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट? अश्वति,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, please try out.
As paying dividends and interest to shareholders and
Yeah,
bondholders are outflow of cash, we had to deduct that.
very good, bacha, very impressive, very good. You're just not reading, but you explained it very beautifully, very good. So you,
Thank
because
you, ma'am.
yes, because there are shareholders, because there are debenture holders who have invested in our company, and therefore we need to pay them dividend, interest, etc. Okay, so because there is a cash outflow, therefore we need to deduct. Okay, and the last point, who will explain me the last
मैम
point?
नेक्स्ट।
Jaya,
मैम
very good. Jaya को मैं भूल गई क्या?
हाँ मैम, लोन टेकन इज अ टाइप ऑफ फाइनेंसिंग बट देयर इज अ
Very
कैश
good,
इनफ्लो। मतलब
very
हम
good,
जब लोन ले रहे हैं तो हमारे पास कैश आ रहा है,
very good,
तो ये
very good.
ऐड होगा।
वेरी गुड बच्चा, वेरी गुड। आपने क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन किया, लोन टेकन फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी होती है। क्यों? क्योंकि ये बोरोड फंड्स होते हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर बोरोड फंड्स फॉर मी एंड दिस इज माय फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी एंड देयरफॉर इट इज कैश इनफ्लो। क्योंकि आपने लोन लिया, बिकॉज यू हैव टेकन लोन। Today you have to look at present moment में you are receiving cash from the bank in the form of bank loan, therefore it is my cash inflow and it is to be added. Now whatever there is whatever final answer of operating activity, investing activity and financing activity, we have to add all of them, okay, and final answer we will get is net increase or decrease in cash. Can anybody tell me when we will write net increase in cash? Very good Priya, very good,
पॉजिटिव आएगा आंसर
very
तब हम
good,
लोग इंक्रीज लिखेंगे।
very good Priya, Jayashree, very good. When the answer will be positive, we will write net increase in cash, but when it will be in negative, we will write net decrease in cash. Is that very clear?
यस मैम।
Okay, now we will add opening cash balance, which constitutes 4 parts: cash balance, bank balance, short-term investment, bank OD. And then after adding this opening cash balance into net increase or decrease in cash, we will get closing cash balance and the format is over. The format is over. Okay, now let me discuss rules. Rules. What are the rules? I have already explained. Don't worry. There are same rules which have been stated here in the different slide for you to understand easily. I have already discussed these rules earlier when I was explaining you about this operating statement and then cash flow statement. Am I audible to everyone clearly?
यस मैम।
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me quickly complete with these rules also. Rules for adjusting working capital. All the current assets have inverse relationship with cash. Suppose if debtors are increasing, then cash will
Decreasing.
decrease. Very good.
Decreasing.
Very good. Very good. Very good. And suppose if closing stock is decreasing, then cash will
Increase.
increase. Very good, Sanjana. I think Sanjana also answered me, right? If closing stock is decreasing, then cash will increase. And because cash is increasing, therefore we need to add.
Add.
Yes. Okay. Is it clear now, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Ikra is also answering me. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now look at this current liabilities. Current liabilities have direct relationship with cash. Suppose if creditors are increasing, cash will also
Increase.
increase. Very good.
Add.
Very good. Therefore, we need to add because cash is increasing. We will add it. Okay. And now we have outstanding expenses as a current liability. Tell me, if outstanding expenses are decreasing, cash will also decrease.
Decrease.
Cash will also decrease. अच्छा, cash decrease हो रही है तो हमको add करना है कि less करना है?
Less.
Add करना है कि less करना है?
Less.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Now, I hope these two rules are clear.
Yes. ma'am.
Yes. Now, next is rules for investing and financing. See, there are 5 rules for investing and financing activity. Whenever there is a cash inflow, you have to add it. Whenever there is a cash outflow, you need to deduct. Loan given is an investing activity and loan taken is a, come on, tell me.
Financing activity.
Financing activity.
Very good. Okay. Interest or dividend is received in the investing activity while it is paid in the
Paid in-
financing activity.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, जो हम पहले समझ चुके
Yes, ma'am.
हैं, it is just given in the rules point wise. So you should not get confused whether as to why ma'am is repeating all these rules. Are they different from the one that we have learned in slides which are given earlier? Okay, so you should not get confused about that. These rules are pretty much same. I mean, whatever we have learned earlier, same rules are here only. And only it is given in the form of points so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Okay. So when there is a cash flow, now these rules are only for investing and financing activity, not for operating. For operating, you know, for working capital, it is inverse relationship with cash and it is a direct relationship with, inverse relationship with current assets.
Current assets.
Yes, and direct relationship with current
Current
Liability.
Very good, very good. So, and one more thing that you know is when we treat all non-cash and non-trade items, in that there also there are 2 rules, only 2 rules. As you had 2 rules in working capital, similarly you have 2 rules in non-cash and non-trade items. So if it is an expense, what will you do? Add or less?
Add.
And if it is an income,
Less.
Less.
very good, very good. So these are the 4 rules of operating activity. What about investing and financing? There are 5 rules that you need to keep it in mind. Whenever there is cash inflow, what you will do?
Add.
Whenever there is cash outflow, what will you do? Less. Okay. Deduct. Okay. If it is loan given, where it will go?
Investing activity.
If it is loan taken, where it will
Financing.
Finance
Financing.
activity.
go? Loan
Financing
given is added or deducted?
Loan given.
Loan is
less. Less होता
Ma'am
है.
added.
No.
Less होता है. Cash
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
outflow है
sorry
ना.
ma'am. For investing it is added ma'am and for finance it is less.
नहीं, आप मुझे लॉजिक बताओ ना. लोन गिवन आप ऐड करते हो कि लेस करते हो? पहले सिर्फ उतना बताओ.
मैम लोन दे रहे तो
Less
मैम
करते
कैश
हैं.
मैम
डिडक्ट करते मैम.
लेस करेंगे लेस.
मैं किसी एक जन को बोलने
आप
बोलो.
मुझे रुको, सारे म्यूट करो पहले. सारे म्यूट करो. शुभम बोलेगा अभी. शुभम, मैं सिर्फ क्या पूछ रही हूँ, इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में लोन गिवन को
हाँ.
ऐड करते कि लेस करते?
मैम लेस करते.
हाँ, क्यों लेस करते हैं?
मैम वो लोन मतलब पैसे जा रहे हैं ना मैम, आउटफ्लो हो गया.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. इन्वेस्टिंग में लेस होगा. इन द इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी लोन गिवन विल बी डिडक्टेड बिकॉज देयर इज अ कैश आउटफ्लो. And now, Shubham, tell me loan taken in the financing activity. What you have to do, add or less? Come on, quickly. Shubham,
हाँ yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
bolo. Loan taken in the financing activity. What you need to do, add or less?
Ma'am, it's added ma'am because ma'am cash
Yes.
आ रही है ma'am.
Very good, very good. Because cash comes in, there is a cash inflow, and therefore you need to add loan taken in the financing activity. Okay. Now, because you have investing activity, to somebody you have given loan, where somewhere you have invested in shares and debentures, therefore you are receiving interest and dividend. Therefore, receiving interest and dividend is cash inflow. So what
It
you will
will
do
be
in
add.
investing activity?
Add.
Add. And if there is a financing activity, people comes and invest in your company. People come and invest in your company means you have to give them interest and dividend. So giving
Yes.
them interest and dividend means cash outflow or inflow.
Outflow.
So cash outflow means add or
Deduct.
less?
Less.
Deduct
Very
less.
good, very good, very good. So we are done with the slides. All the slides, we are done with this PPT. I will share it with you through the Google Classroom. I will share the Google Classroom code also. Just give me 1 day time. Okay, classrooms are made, don't worry. I just need to take out time to give you code, and then we need to put all the materials there for you to revise all the slides. Okay, I will give it to you. Just give me 1 day time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I think we can wind up today here only, because we will begin with the practical questions tomorrow. Is that okay with
Okay, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So take care,
Yes,
everybody. I will give you this PPT. Wait for 1 day and then you can revise. Meanwhile, tomorrow I will give you 2 minutes ka revision, and then we will begin with the practical questions.
Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Bye,
ma'am.
everybody. I hope everybody has filled in the attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Attendance
ma'am.
Yes,
record is done.
ma'am.
Okay, okay,
yes, ma'am.
okay. Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
everyone. Take care. Yes, bye, bye, everyone.